How to delete all your photos in Google Photos. Well, to be direct, one of the ways to delete is to simply open up Google Photos, select all your pictures at once, multiple select at once and delete them. However, it will take time if you have multiple photos as you can only select limited multiple photos, right? So what you can do is instead of deleting your particular photos from your Google account, your Google Photos account, you can directly do it from the web browser. So you want to head into the web and you want to head into photos.google.com. Once you head into photos.google.com, as I do, you want to log into your account, so you'll be able to see your memories there. Once you log in, now it'll be better if you use the desktop browser. So if you're using a desktop browser, once you proceed to your Google Photos on photos.google.com, you can simply hold the shift key to scroll to the last photo and then click to select all items before clicking the trash icon. So you can do it with the shortcut keys instead on your web browser. So you won't be able to do it easily on your phone. You'll have to multiple select all one by one and then you'll have to simply proceed to delete it. So hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.